Hi, I have in my hand here an IP65 waterproof electrical junction box, and the dimensions on this, it's 400 millimeters long, and the overall width of it is 350 millimeters, and the depth of it is 120 millimeters. So what I'm going to do at this point is, I've used this Phillips screwdriver which I have here to remove the 4 screws that are at the corner of this unit. And what I'm going to do here is, I've just removed that. And the first thing we note is, all the way around where the seal will be formed, where we've tightened in the screws, we have a rubber bung all the way around, and it just means that when the screws are tightened down, it sits in and gives a dust and waterproof seal on the unit. Okay? If we come along then and we look at the actual unit itself, we'll see that we have a total of 16 rubber bungs on the corner of this unit. What I'm actually going to do here on this particular one is, I'm going to push through one of the unit here, and you can just see, so we have that sealed with those bungs, but you can actually remove the bungs if you wanted to and just run cable directly in here. Let's say if you're running an electrical cable, or you could just knock through the centre of this hole here, obviously, and that'd be a better way of doing it again. If we come along here, we can see on the corner points we have ways of mounting this directly onto a wall, and also there's ways that we can actually screw in to hold, we'll say, a wooden back onto this if we wanted to put power units on, something like that, or we could screw certain power units come with little circular units on the side we could screw it in directly. Typically applications of it would be in the electrical and the CCTV industry. Now it's part of a wider range of junction boxes that we sell. This is one of the larger units that we have. I'm going to give you a sort of a demonstration of something we might apply it with. I have here a 6-way junction, which we can imagine, we'll say if we took the plug off, we ran the cable in, we might want to come along and mount this inside. And what we could do then is we have a safe environment where we can come along and put in our power units here like this. So we can see there, that's a 1 amp power unit, just given by way of an example. So we could run the leads directly in here for connecting onto it. What we could do at that particular point in time is we were able to put the lid back on because the overall height of the 120 millimeters gives us the space that we need. So that's it anyway, an overview of the IP65 rated waterproof electrical junction box. The dimension on this again being 400 millimeters by 350 by a total depth of 120 millimeters.